Creamy chicken with lemon and garlic. Start by frying the chicken. Place flour on a large plate, then add the chicken pieces, turning to coat them evenly. Heat the oil and butter in a large frying pan over medium-high heat. Cook the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes each side until golden brown and just cooked through. Transfer to a plate. Melt the remaining butter in the pan. Add lemon slices and cook for 1 minute each side until caramelised. Then set aside with the chicken. Turn the heat down to medium, then add onion, garlic and capers to the pan. Stir for about 5 minutes until the onion softens. Add lemon juice and bring to a simmer. Cook for another minute until the mixture reduces slightly. Pour in chicken stock and cream. Then bring the sauce to the boil. Return the chicken and lemon slices to the pan and bring to a simmer again. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes or until the sauce thickens, then remove the pan from the heat. Meanwhile, cook the veggies. Add potatoes to a saucepan of boiling water and cook for about 15 minutes until just tender. About 3 minutes before the cooking time is up, add the beans to the water. Drain the veggies well. To finish the chicken, sprinkle with chives and parsley and season with salt and pepper. Serve with the veggies. This simple chicken dish is packed with flavour and is on the table in only 30 minutes. For more dinner ideas, head to our Easy Weeknight playlist here.